This lesson will be a review over combining like terms and simplifying expressions. Let's first talk about what like terms are. When we talk about like terms must have the same variable and the same power. So if we look at this first expression here, 5x squared plus 2x minus 4, notice that we have an x squared and an x here. They both have an x, however, this has a square on it and this does not. Therefore, those would not be like terms. They are just three terms in an expression. Looking down at the second example, 6a squared plus a squared plus 2a. Now if you notice, we have a's in each term. However, does each a have the same power? So looking at our first term, we have an a squared, a to the second power. Second term has an a to the second power. Therefore, those are like terms. They have the same variable and the same power. This last term has an a, but it's raised to the first power. Remember, if you have a variable that does not have an exponent on it, you can always assume it's being raised to the first power. It will not be being raised to the 0 power, it'll be raised to the first power. So we have a to the first here, which does not have the same power as a to the second, so that is an unlike term. Combining like terms, an expression is in simplest form when it contains no like terms or parentheses. So when we go to simplify, we want to try to combine everything we possibly can and get rid of parentheses. Our final answer should contain no parentheses, no like terms. If your answer does have like terms or parentheses in it, it is not fully simplified. So our first example here, we have 17u plus 25u. The directions want us to simplify. So let's first look at our variables. We have a u to the first power, a u to the first power. Same variable, same power, so I can combine these. I have 17 u's plus 25 u's gives me a total of 42 u's. Simplify 6t squared plus 3t minus t. Once again, we want to check to make sure there is no like terms involved here. My first term has t to the second power. Second term, 3t, t to the first power, minus t to the first power. Each term has a t in it, but now we have to check the powers. We can only combine if they have the same variable and the same power. So I have a t to the second power here, I don't have a second power here, I don't have a second power here. So I cannot combine this first term with anything. It's just going to be brought down to the next line. My second term is 3t, t to the first power. My last term is also raised to the first power, so I can combine these. These are like terms. 3t minus 1t gives me 2t. Final answer is 6t squared plus 2t. Notice I just brought down the term that I could not combine with anything. That's all you need to do. Don't try to combine it or make up your own rules, just bring it down. If it cannot be combined with anything, just bring it down. Here's a few to try on your own. Simplify the following expressions. If the expression is already simplified, write simplified. Sometimes you guys will be given problems where you will not need to simplify. They are already in simplest form. So if that is the case, just simply write simplified and move on. So make sure you check your answers as you go through here. All of my answers are in the bold here. If you have any questions, make sure you come see me in class and we can discuss them. Good luck!